Okay, YouTube, I guess it's time for some, I guess you'd call it fleet vehicles, all the stuff we have around here currently before we get into some build videos. This is my 2018 GMC Z92. This would be the first Copart car we picked up. This is a 2010 Lincoln MKZ. Let's see, 126,820 miles. That's my beasts. And this is my other truck. This here is a 2005 Dodge Ram 1500, which I currently put up for sale for $4,500. It had a new engine put in it at about 25,000 miles ago. Reman from Powertrain Products. This back here would be the second Copart vehicle we picked up. Would be the first one that actually got delivered. I think this is a 2003 Mercury Grand Marquis. As you can see, was hitting the front. I think an old lady owned it. I know the Lincoln was owned by an 89-year-old lady. This right here was my four-wheeler until my son tore it all to pieces. Pulled the engine out, went to put a gear reduction kit in it and change it from electric to manual, and it didn't work out. This is my son's 77 GMC Jimmy. Nothing wrong with it, well, other than he broke the straps on the drive shaft. But once he got a new truck, he kind of just let this one sit back here and go to waste. This was his first truck. This is an 87 Dodge Ram Charger. We put a bunch of money into it to get it running. I picked it up for like 1,200 bucks, and he had it for a couple, about I'd say 4 months, and then he blew the engine in it. And this beast back here, this is my 77 Dodge M880 mud truck. It's a military truck. I picked this is probably my first auction vehicle I picked up. I picked this up for $1,250 through a military auction, a government auction. And yeah, that's it for the moment. Hiding in that building right there is another project that's for a later time. And yeah, this is just a quick video of what we got going on around here. We just currently tore this one apart. We started tearing the Lincoln apart, and then I just got a phone call today. The 350Z is coming from Georgia at about 2 o'clock in the morning. And yeah, it's gonna be interesting because we got tropical storm right now, so it's supposed to be raining pretty bad tonight. So yeah, this is what we're starting with at the moment, and I'll shoot another video on each one of these, and let y'all kind of know what's going on with the builds, and we'll go from there. Hopefully you guys like, subscribe, and keep looking out. Thank you. Bye.